who wouldn't like to have zero utility bills every month, right? That is part of the appeal and part of our message. I think the students just truly embraced the goal of the project, which was to offer a home that meets the needs and appeals to the marketplace. The Wind River Home is part of the Solar Decathlon, a nationwide competition for the Department of Energy. There's been 3 phases of student teams because this has been a 2-year project. My colleague, Don Gargielewski, who was a lecturer in our program, kicked off this competition in early 2021 with a team of 10 students. The students on the teams designed the house from start to finish, including all of its engineering systems. Some of them are aspiring to be structural engineers. Some of them are aspiring to be mechanical systems engineers, meaning heating, cooling, electrical systems. We have a student from the College of Agriculture who's an interior design major, and she's made a great contribution to the project. And we also have a student on the team from the construction management program who's doing the scheduling and the budgeting and the management aspects of the project. Corey Toy is building this as a spec home and a spec home builder. So he's purchased the land, he's financing the construction. He took a tremendous risk in committing to this project, committing to build a student design that had not existed before. And he's going to sell the house at the conclusion of the competition. This is really supporting students to go in a few different directions with their careers. We call the style of the house minimal mountain modern. And one of the students came up with that phrase, and we really like it. It's kind of a rustic home with woods and metal siding. The wood, by the way, is reclaimed from Wyoming snow fence, and so it's a recycled material. And then the home has a simple shape that really responds to the environmental needs for both active and passive solar heating. Part of the roof is south-facing slope in order to accommodate the solar panels that produce the electricity for the home. And then there's a taller roof that is sloped the other direction so that we can have large windows in order to have passive solar heating. The house is hooked up to the grid, and so on balance, it's producing positive electrical energy. A zero energy home will cost about 10%, maybe 15% more in the upfront construction costs. Then, of course, you have free energy for the lifetime of the house. So it will pay itself back month by month by month, maybe 7 or 8 years. But that's that upfront premium is in part of any zero energy home. We've never had a project of this caliber in terms of a real world experience, all the way from the very beginning when students participated in purchasing the land and having it surveyed, and then designing the building in cooperation with the owner and the builder to make sure that it was going to be constructible and economical and have market appeal to Wyoming homeowners. Personally, this is a very fulfilling project because I've been studying solar houses for over a decade now. To compete with our students in the Solar Decathlon is just going to be one of the highlights of my career here at UW.